It's BMW X5 S-Drive. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. You can't even hear it. Here's sound decibels. Right at 89. Again. We'll let you guys hear it. BMW X5. We showed you what it looked like before. This is what it sounds like, what it looks like after. So as you guys can see, it's still got factory converter up there somewhere. 3-inch pipe, and we put in a Flowmaster Super 44 right in the center. Part number 8430452, right there. And then we ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back on each side, right there. And right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So it's true, not true dual. So it's dualed out the back. Right there. Look at that. Came out really nice, really clean. Flowmaster Super 44, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. There's the giant muffler that was on it. We took off. Right there. There's the resonator that was on it. We took off also. And the intermediate piping. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, so we got round 2 on this one. We just posted it. We're going to post a comparison video probably, guys, for you. 2020 BMW X5. Look at that. Got the M package on it. What we got done on it this time, we took the Flowmaster off. Factory converter up there somewhere. We took the Flowmaster off and replace it with a Dynomax race bullet. He wanted a little bit more sound, a little bit more deeper sound. So we went with a Dynomax setup. Dynomax race bullet, there'll be a link in the description for it. Wide pipe, there'll be a link in the description for it. You'll have to take it to a muffler shop to get it custom made. Okay? Then 2.5-inch all the way back. And with the Flowmaster, he was complaining of a little bit because of the drone. So we added 2 custom J pipes right there. You see them, they're closed off at the end right there. And that's how these J pipes work. And what they do is they cancel out drone. So this should help it a lot, as you guys can see right there and right there. Okay? And then it's straight pipe other than that, other than the Dynomax race bullet. So there it is. And it's all tucked away nicely. You can't see it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there's the old Flowmaster Super 44 that was on it before that we cut off. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and check out the merch. Round 3 on the BMW X5 M package. Anyways, it's got a factory converter up there somewhere. Then we had a Dynomax race bullet there that we took off and replace it with a pipe. We'll have a video for it for sound comparison. Then Y pipe and true dual all the way back. And we also added J pipes on each side, there and there, for exhaust drone. So anytime you have drone, you add J pipes in and it takes the drone away. It helped out drastically, as you guys can see. And that's where the Dynomax race bullet, that's right there. You see it? That's it right there. We took it off and put a pipe in its place. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's the sound. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's beautiful. Wow, that sounds really nice. There's sound decibels again. Again. 101. There's a sport mode in it, right? Sport. Can you put it in sport mode for me? 1 second, guys. It's even cleaner. Wow. Here's sport mode. 102 again. It's got the little bubble here. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. See that? Nice. 4.0. That's so clean sounding. I love it. Yeah, that's clean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. It's definitely louder. Oh, you like it? It's a lot better. Yeah, it's nicer. Again? Dynomax race bullet. Ooh. Again? Your sound decibels? Again? Right at 99. Got a nice idle to it too. I like it. Go ahead and back it out. It's deeper, man. It's so much cleaner. Wow. Let you guys hear on the BMW X5 4.0 liter iDrive. Here we go. Go ahead. It's a lot louder. 104. Again. 107. Again. Yeah. Again. Perfect. Sounds a lot better too. That's me. Go ahead and back it out. So guys, let us know. We'll do a comparison video. Let us know option A, B, or C. All right? Option A is straight pipe, or option C is straight pipe. Option B is Dynomax. Option A is flowmaster. Tell us which option you guys like in the comments. Go ahead. Oh, it sounds so mean. I like it. Let you guys hear on that. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys. BMW X5 with Dynomax race bullet, and then 2.5-inch wide pipe, and true duals all the way back after.
man. I love it.
Round 2. This is after it warmed up. Oh my God, it sounds like a freaking race car, guys.
It sounds so good. Enjoy.
BMW X5 now, fully straight pipe. I like it. Oh yeah. Wow, beast mode. Enjoy, guys.